when we started talking, you had a bob, right? Did you have a bob? Or it was like, no, it was a little after we started talking and you had like that little bob.
Wrong bitch.
No, it was you. You had that bob because I remember. Bitch. I remember because you had the shirt and it was low cut. It's not the wrong bitch. Just because you don't remember doesn't mean automatically that it's the wrong bitch.
That's what that means.
No, it doesn't. I've never had a bitch with a bob.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, it literally costs $0 to subscribe. It costs $0 to leave a comment and to like the video to help me with the algorithm. As you can tell from the title, today my girlfriend is going to be rating my wigs. For all people who have watched my previous videos, you know that most of the... Okay, fuck my video.
Oh, I'm sorry.
So if you watch this channel, you know that every time I do a wig review, well, almost every time, at the end of it, I go and I ask my girlfriend, what is it giving? And she always has the wrong answer. But anyway, I figured today I would have her rate like some of my wigs, but I look a mess. And I feel like if I go out there looking a mess, then she's gonna rate every wig a 10 because my head looks like this. So I'm gonna throw on a headband wig. Got this wig from In Color Hair, so thank you for sponsoring this video. I have already prepped my hair. It is already in a slick bun. I did my baby hairs. I'm literally just gonna put this headband wig on really quickly. I'm gonna wave it and then we can start. If I could let you guys in on a little secret, I'm actually low-key forcing my girlfriend to do this video today. She hates being on my channel. She hates being on the TV show that I'm on. She does not like being on camera, but I'm just like, girl, my followers like you. I gotta give them what they want. If you wanted regular, you should have got with a regular bitch. So I'm trying to figure out if I want her to like rate the wigs like a 1 to 10, or if I want her to like line the wigs up like best to like least best. I don't know. Not least best. Best to worst. Best to least best. What the hell was that? I'm literally waving every single wig that comes into the mail because I broke my flat iron. And I have yet to buy another one because I just refuse to buy another flat iron, even though I need one. Oh my God, so my hairstylist being unprofessional video kind of blew up. It did really well and I was not expecting, to be honest with y'all, I kind of threw that video together last minute because I had to do a sponsorship. And I was just like, let me just speak about something that's getting on my nerves. I was not expecting that video to do that well. The videos that I be wholeheartedly planning for weeks at a time be like 2-3K views. And then the videos that I just be like, well, let me just film this real quick. Those are always the videos that go viral. I don't understand. Babe, you about to rate these wigs, so you might want to get presentable. I'm busy. You not busy. Her and Blossom be trying to play me 24/7. I cannot wait to clear out all these wig sponsorships so that I can wear my hair the same way for at least 2 weeks. I've literally been doing my hair every 2 days. It's exhausting. Okay, we are waved up. This is the headband that I want to wear today. This hair is kind of cute. I think I might take Instagram pictures today too. All right, let's go rate some wigs. Blossom, rate this wig, the one I got on right now. What is it looking like?
Mamas, what do you rate your mother's wig? This one is a 10.
This one is a 10?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. It's just a headband wig. You like it? Is it the way I styled it?
Now we get too deep into it. Are they different? You should make different categories.
Okay, how about you just sit down and I just show you the wigs? Okay, so I'm gonna show you some wigs from previous wigs that I've done.
Okay.
I need you to rate it from 1 to 10.
Can we do 1 to 5?
Why?
I don't like rating from 1 to 10 because it's like it leaves too many options.
Okay, so I'm gonna show you some wigs. You can rate it from 1 to 5, and then I want you to tell me what it was giving. This is your second chance because you never get it right when I ask you what it's giving. Okay?
So why do we keep continuing to ask
so
me
you
what it's
can
giving?
learn. You have to learn.
No, I'm not good at that.
First wig.
4.
Oh wait, 4 out of 5.
It's giving Beyonce, Crazy in Love.
Okay.
Yeah.
I can work with that. So you like this one? I could wear this one again, and
Yes.
you would like this one.
Yes. Now, if I give you 1, like, are there any consequences to that?
I'm not gonna break up with you if you do a 1. I just
I
want
just
to
want
wear
to
the
know
wig
if our
again.
1's on the table.
I just won't wear the wig again.
Okay. 2.
Oh, you didn't like this one.
I don't really like that color. It's nice, like the installation, but I'm not a fan of the color.
Okay.
It's definitely a strong 2 though.
A strong
very
2.
strong 2.
Okay. Wig number 3.
5.
Oh, you like this.
Mm-hmm.
What you like about it?
It's close to your regular curl pattern. It looks natural. You look like you're having a good time. You look vibrant. You look, I like this.
So I should go put that on right now. This one is tricky because it's a bang, but I ended up not using the bang. But I ended up liking the color, but I'm curious as to what you think.
This is a 1.
The color too?
The color is a 3. I just don't like the bangs.
Okay, hold on.
I don't like the bangs.
Hold on.
It's like very 2006.
Okay, without the bangs, let me show you.
No, I don't like this. I like you though. I love you. I'm not a fan of this. It looks like you're trying to hide the bang. Yeah,
Blossom, you like it?
Are you okay?
No.
But I think you're averaging about a 3.
That's not good.
Okay, but we still got, how many more we got?
I'm gonna show you like 2 more.
Okay, so all I need to do is be like 4s and 5s. Let's see what we got.
I know.
What's next?
I know how you feel about this one, but I'm gonna show you anyway.
10. It gives like sophisticated, like, yeah, it gives like, yeah.
It gives like, yeah.
It gives like, yeah. Like, I like this one. It's like, bow.
Wow.
I think that's because when we started talking, you had a bob, right? Did you have a bob? Or it was like, no, it was a little after we started talking and you had like that little bob.
Wrong bitch.
No, it was you. You had that bob because I remember. I remember because you had the shirt and it was low cut. It's not the wrong bitch. Just because you don't remember doesn't mean automatically that it's the wrong bitch.
That's what that means.
No, it doesn't. I've never had a bitch with a bob.
Next wig.
5.
You like it? Girl, you like me with curly hair.
Yeah, 5. See, I told you. You averaging about. You had a 4. If I had to rank my favorite, because they're all 5s, but all my 5s, I would do the bob. Second would be the short curly, and then this one.
And then this one. Those are your top 3 so far.
Those are my top 3.
You like me with natural black hair.
I think that's what I think naturally that's what I'm gearing towards based off my readings. Maybe if you was to merge, like, since I love the bob so much, maybe if you was to get like a colored bob, maybe that, like, you should try that.
Like a blonde bob?
Yeah, try like a blonde bob.
Stay tuned for a colored bob.
We should do 3 different colored bobs.
Okay, Amy, I'm not about to just be getting bobs.
All the colors of the rainbow.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
No. This is the last one. You'll remember this one because we went on a date.
I think this is a 4. It's like one of them sew-ins that you be having. It's like a 4.5.
So that was my last one.
Okay. My top 3.
Give it to me in order. Your 1, your 2, and your 3.
My number 1, of course, the bob.
Okay.
Number 2 would be the short curly.
Okay.
Number 3, even though I didn't rate it a 5, it would be just the regular, the last one you showed me. Like the one that looks like the sewing.
Do you like headband wigs? This is a headband wig.
Can I take this off?
Yeah.
Would it fall off your head?
No.
This is fancy. You can just like throw it on.
Yep.
Yeah, I like that. It's easy. Do they make this in a bob?
Thank you for doing this video with me today because I forced you.
You did. You held dinner over my head and everything.
I don't know how to outro this. You outro it.
Thank you guys for tuning into my channel. If you like this video, please like and subscribe down below or comment. And we'll see you right here in the next one. Bye!
Girl, fuck you.